Blackview MEGA 8, which is the successor of the Blackview MEGA 2, would be launching very soon. Its release date isn't revealed yet, but the device would likely launch before the ending of April or early May. Anyway, let's quickly explore its top features. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it.
Perfect.
So these are the top features of the Blackview MEGA 8. What do you guys think about its features? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.